One of the channels I use to learn Quranic Arabic is this one, Arabic 101. Go on YouTube, type Arabic 101, and then this one is the one you need, this one here. I'm already subscribed, even though it doesn't show it because I'm not logged in. Click on it.
With the grace of Allah, we have produced more than 250 educational video lessons and more than 10 courses to learn Arabic and the Noble Quran. With these video lessons, you can, with the will of Allah, go from an absolute beginner who can't read Arabic to learning how to read and even understand the Quran in its original language. But what is the best way to take to achieve your goal? Well, this lesson is meant to be a roadmap for anyone who wants to learn the Quran, no matter what your level is.
And then here it's got the videos and the playlist. The playlist is always the best place to go. Common mistake, Arabic 101 shorts, and there's so many other things here. There's a video I'm going to look for that I've watched, and I'll give you an example of what the lessons are like. So there's this one, which is the beginner one, and there's the advanced one, which is a part 2 of this one.
So if you want to fine-tune your reading of Quran, learning these symbols is a must. On the right side here, you see all the variations of tanween in the Holy Quran. Tanween is the addition of noon at the end of a word. Normally,
so you see it's nicely, the audio is great and the explanations are really good. Is this one I'm going to go skip a few, and I'll go to where he talks about alif.
Next is the sign that looks like a small alif, and it is actually an alif that is not in the word, like Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. So we say Ar-Rahman, not Ar-Rahman. So there is an alif that is not the word.
So there are really great explanations in this video. Have a look, subscribe, and start learning. There is so much that you can learn. You go to the playlist and click something and see where you can start. The good thing is, like, this one is with the 21 videos. Click on it.
The main components of any language.
And then the videos are there on the right. So you can do step by step. Always have a notebook so that you can write your notes. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.